AnimatedBuilder is a widget provided by Flutter for creating complex animations. Using AnimatedBuilder is very easy. First, extend the class with tickerProvider. Second, create the animation controller. The animation controller will control the animation. It will start, stop, and repeat the animations. Third, create the AnimatedBuilder. AnimatedBuilder has three properties: animation, child, and builder. Provide the animation controller to the animation. Provide any widget that you want to animate to the child property. And the third builder will contain the actual logic or the transformation logic for animating the object. For scaling, use transform.scale. For flipping, use matrix4.rotationX. For rotation, use transform.rotate. For translation, use transform.translate. The more complex animation you want, the better transformation metrics you would need. Provide the custom animation metrics to the transform property of the transform widget. For flipping on the x-axis, we have used matrix4.rotationX. You can provide any matrix that you want. It should contain the metric should contain the logic for animations. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. Now, if you have found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. I will respond to your comments as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.